Hi, this is the second video. This is for the 555 timer circuit. Got everything set up. Everything works, thankfully. I've already gathered my measurements. I just wanted to consolidate from a 10-minute video down to a hopefully 3-minute video. So just to prove that it works, take this and grab it. Is that have a it can't be touching the side of the battery, otherwise it'll I guess that maybe shorts it, possibly. It's a ground function. Okay, turn off. There we go. Yeah, and it starts off like that, kicks onto a brighter light. It's staying on full for about 7 seconds or so, and then it kicks off. So the graph sort of looks like this. It's got a bit of, it's down here at 0. It's got a bit of chatter down here. Then it really starts talking. Even goes above. It actually hits 8 at a couple of different points. And then it just stays high until it drops. So it's working. It's not the calculations I had done prior to running. Mainly because the voltage, I believe, is dropped either from use, sag, the different components, the different resistors dropping voltage along the way. Shouldn't have had too much of an effect, but it did. The circuit still runs. The calculations, however, yeah. There could be a couple of different reasons as to why. I think it's because I'm forcing this little 9-volt battery to function with a much bigger capacitor, 3 different resistors, and a chippy LED that they gave me a heart attack. I heard a little pop, and there was no smoke or anything like that. And I believe what turned out was just that the battery was technically shorting itself, with the positive side touching the outside. That was touching this part right here. The red wire was, so that was kind of shorting it a little bit. It also didn't like the oscilloscope. It did not like it at all. A lot of the components are pretty close to each other, so it might have been forcing some to touch. So that probably did drain the battery a little bit. However, we have consistent time, we have data, and I believe that does, it still proves that the 555 chip is in astable mode by turning on and off at given voltages. So it's not the calculations I had initially done, but they are still, I would say, valid.